Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. If you haven't already, please do like and subscribe. I post a lot of videos about independent filmmaking, a lot about camera gear, and I'm really excited because this is the first video that I'm shooting on the Canon EOS R. I just picked it up. It's a really awesome camera. Now, there have been some little nuances that I'm kind of trying to figure out and play with, and one of them is that the difference between EF lenses and EFS lenses. So if you don't know the difference, basically EFS lenses are designed for APS-C sensor cameras, so they already have a crop built into them. The EOS R is a full frame camera, and EF lenses are made for full frame, so that means it can take full advantage of the entire size of the sensor. Now the thing is the Canon EOS R, even the RP, both have a crop of 1.7 in the 4K video mode, so that's what I'm shooting in now. I don't mind the crop, honestly. The crop to me works because the majority of the lenses I have come from the EFS style, so they're made for APS-C sensors, so it works pretty good. Now the odd thing is though, is if I try to change this camera to shoot in 1080, you'll see just how different it looks with the crop lens full frame sensor. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so right now I am now shooting in 1080 on the Canon EOS R with a EFS lens. So you can see there's kind of some vignetting on all the sides that you can kind of see. There's kind of this little rounded shape here, which is kind of where the adapter is. So this is why you can't really use EFS lenses on a full frame sensor without going into the crop. So when I shoot 4K on here, it's okay because it automatically crops in. Now on the photo side, it's completely different because on the photo side you can choose to shoot the crop or not. No matter what lens you put in, you can make that call. With the video mode, you only have certain options. So you can shoot 4K at 23.98 or whatever it is, the 24 frames, and then basically 720. There is no 1080 option for the crop. They don't give you an option to crop in on 1080. It's something that I wish Canon would do. It would be really nice to have that. I don't know if they could do that within like a firmware update. That would really just make these cameras even better. But overall, I must say, the photo quality in full frame is unreal. And the couple full frame EF lenses that I have, I put those on here and it just looks amazing. But what I'm using right now is a 17 to 50 millimeter 2.8, and I really like this lens. But like I said, it is an EFS lens, so it is the APS-C sensor, so I have to only shoot in 4K. So I'm going to switch back to 4K now. Alright, and now we're back in 4K mode. So now you can see that those vignette lines are gone, and this works really well with the 1.7 crop in 4K. So I know a lot of people complaining about the crop when the EOS R and RP were announced and they came out, but quite frankly, because I have so many lenses that are made for the APS-C size, I'm okay with the crop, and I think it looks good, and I hope you think it looks good. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of how this looks. This is just a standard picture profile on the Canon EOS R. This is the first time I'm using it, so I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll catch you in the next one.